Hi, today's discussion will be on volume and surface area, and specifically I am going to discuss on surface area of cone. Understanding the definition first, it says a cone is formed by rotating a right angle triangle around its perpendicular. The visualization can be like this. This is a right angle triangle and this is the perpendicular side. So if you rotate this right triangle around keeping this perpendicular as fixed, that visualization can look like this. So here this is the base of the cone, which is a circle, and this is the slant side. So here this is a visualization where again the cone was rotated and this is the final output that was obtained. Now let us discuss what do we mean by surface area. Now for any given object, let me consider this example for you. Now when I talk about surface area, it is the outer surface whichever I can touch or I can see. This is called the surface area of this particular object. Now talking about the surface area of a cone, here look, I am shading it for you. All these surfaces that you see is the surface area of this particular cone. So here you have a slant side, you have a circular base as well. So we come across two very important formula. One is the total surface area of a cone written by pi r square, which is nothing but the base area, and pi rl is the surface area or the curved surface area of this particular cone. If you take pi r common, you have r plus l and the unit is square unit. This is the formula for total surface area of a cone. Going ahead with the curved surface area of a cone. Now for the curved surface area of a cone, we exclude its base. The base area is excluded, which was a circle. So the part for pi r square has to be excluded now. So the curved surface area of a cone is pi rl square unit.